I'm Tony Blak, and I run the bakery here with my sister Valerie, and next to me here is my son Peter. He's the fourth generation of Blak to actually work here at 1022 Langlois. What we're doing is making a traditional Polish dessert called Paczkis, which are already made just before Lent commences, which is going to be on Ash Wednesday, which this year is on March the 9th. Our bakery has been making Paczkis now for 93 years. At one time it was only for the Polish population here in Windsor, but we found now that it's crossed over. And just like on St. Paddy's Day where everybody wants to be Irish, on Paczki Day now we find everybody wants to be Polish. And if they don't have their Paczki, they're just not happy. So it's one of those days where when we do this, it's great for our bakery. It's actually the biggest day of our year when we work here on our Paczkis. We bring down the family from Toronto, from Mississauga, from Kitchener, and everybody's put their best foot forward so that we can make Paczkis that satisfy the needs of our fellow Windsorites.